ওই আঞ্জুমানের একটা অংশ হলো বক্তব্য। যেহেতু তারা মানুষের কাছে গিয়ে বক্তব্য দিয়ে মানুষকে কোরআন বোঝাবে, হাদিস বোঝাবে, ধর্মটা বোঝাবে, আমাদের স্যারেরাও এখনই বলছিলেন। সেই জন্য আমি সেই বক্তব্য করার জন্য আমাদের একটি ছাত্র ইংলিশে বক্তব্য করবে, মাসুদ জামিল। মাসুদ জামিলকে দাওয়াত দেবো, ওই স্টেজে আসবে এবং ওর বক্তব্যটি আমাদের সকলের সামনে পেশ করবে।
আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। নাহমাদুহু ওয়া নুসাল্লি আলা রাসূলিহিল কারীম, আম্মা বা'দ। ফাআউযু বিল্লাহি মিনাশ শাইতানির রাজীম। বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। ওয়া মা খালাকতুল জিন্না ওয়াল ইনসা ইল্লা লিয়া'বুদুন। সাদাকাল্লাহুল আযীম। My name is Masood Jamil. I am a student of Uday Krishnapur Jamia Tajweedul Quran of Hifz Department. Today I am very proud because I have been able to speak on the farewell Anjuman stage. Present in the stage, my respected Jamia's teachers, Hazrat Maulana Ahmad Ali Sahib, and my respected teachers and my respected guests, and my respected Jamia's former students, and my respected Jamia's current students, and my friends and partner. We begin the speech by paying respect to all of them. Allah Ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, I have created the jinn and the mankind only to worship me. But the sad thing is that we are doing everything except worship. Many are think that the worship means is only prayer, fasting, zakat, hajj, zikr, etc. doing. But no, this is a completely wrong idea. Worship means is you are following command of Allah and the body follow Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But today some Muslim community consider it a shame to follow Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. You are invite a Muslim brother to a sunnah, he is rejects it. But you are mention the name of a hero, actor, singer, dancer, film artist, player, superstar. He is quickly accept this and take too seriously and the difficult demand for this work. And the following name is fashion in our modern society. And the another name of this fashion is to oppose Islam. Very sad to say, our Muslim society is affected to this fashion virus. And they don't realize how much they are harming Islam to protecting fashion. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the person who will live on my one sunnah in the last time of the world, he is given the status of 100 martyrs. But today we are killing sunnah instead of it keeping alive. But today we are killing sunnah instead of it keeping alive. So I was convey this message to everyone, especially the young society, by my statement. Please stop killing sunnah at the name of fashion. Please stop killing sunnah at the name of fashion. This is because this is both your life and the hereafter is destroyed. So I was ended my speech. I would like say once again, please stop killing sunnah at the name of fashion. Say finally, I was say everyone, please remember me in your dua. Thanking everyone, I was ended my short speech here. Wa akhiri da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.